In this video, we dive into the process of restoring a Mercedes S450, an absolute top-tier luxury sedan, and see what it takes to bring it back. The owner picked up this Mercedes-Benz S450 at a surprisingly low price. But before enjoying any of that, we had to strip the entire interior down to bare metal to see what we were really dealing with. This car was a flood-damaged vehicle, and the owner was honestly overwhelmed. Still, considering the cost, he asked our team to restore as much as possible. Here you can see some of the components we removed during inspection. There was still standing water trapped inside the cabin. Never a good sign. Once we opened the compartment, things got worse. The lithium-ion battery was covered in mold and had to be replaced entirely. The door panels were also moldy. With interior pieces like these, surface cleaning isn't enough. Mold stays deep inside the material, and the smell never really goes away. Everything needs to be fully cleaned, then heat-treated at high temperature to sanitize and kill off any remaining spores. Next, we reinstalled new sound-deadening material throughout the cabin. Then came the wiring. The car couldn't power on at all because several fuses were blown. After replacing them, we were finally able to get partial power, but only the main screen lit up. The engine started for 2 seconds and immediately shut itself off. Why? Because Mercedes has a safety logic built into the system. If the airbags aren't detected, the ECU will cut the engine to prevent operation. At this stage, we had only repaired part of the wiring harness, so the right-hand display was still dead. After more tracing, soldering, and testing, we eventually brought that screen back to life as well. With the electronics stabilized, we moved on to the interior restoration. The owner wanted to forget the nightmare of the flood damage, so he asked for a completely new interior color scheme. Once all the panels and components were refinished, we began reassembling the cabin. Fortunately, the exterior paint was still in excellent condition, so no respray was needed, just detailing and protection.